Hi friends, today I'm going to read How Animals Eat by Mary Elbatoft Reed. Look at this is a picture of a sea otter. What does it look like the sea otter is eating? Yeah, it looks like a crab. Interesting. Animals look for all kinds of food, and they eat it in many different ways. Look at that ape. He eats fruit with his hands. Sometimes the fruit drips all over. It looks like his hands are sticky. Do you ever eat fruit with your hands and then sometimes your hands get sticky too? Animal facts. This ape is an orangutan. It eats, plays, and sleeps in rainforest trees. Look at the pelican. She catches fish with her bill. Sometimes the fish don't fit. It looks like her beak is stuffed. Oh my goodness, look over here at this beak. The fish are sticking out and this is a really big beak. This is crazy. Animal facts. This is a white pelican. Its beak is called a bill. Look at the lizard. He catches worms in his mouth. Sometimes the worm is very big. It looks like this worm won't fit. Animal facts. This lizard is called a skink. It eats worms and bugs. Look at the frog. She catches bugs with her tongue. Sometimes her tongue goes out very far. It looks like a long stretch. Animal facts. A frog's tongue is very sticky. Look at the otter. He crushes crab shells with his teeth. Sometimes he floats on his back. It looks like his belly is a table. Animal facts. A sea otter has webbed feet that help it float and swim. Look here at those webbed feet. Look at the giraffe. He reaches leaves with his tall neck. Sometimes he sticks out his tongue. It looks like he is licking the tree. Animal facts. A giraffe's tongue helps it pull leaves from the tree. Looky here at that long tongue. Look at tortoise. She bites cactus fruit with her sharp beak. But the cactus is sharp too. Be careful, tortoise.